lesser importance na nasa-set for oral arguments. Bakit itong mismo sa impeachment case na, alam natin, issues of transcendental importance, hindi man lang naisip nila ng Korte Suprema na iset for oral arguments. So ngayon na nandyan na yung mga motions for reconsideration at ang titindi ng mga grounds na sinasabi doon, lalo na sa mga pagkakamali, sa appreciation of facts, the least that they can do is really to set the case for oral arguments. Pero until now nga, ganun eh. So actually hindi ko rin mawala sa isipan ko, Jarius, na baka ang mangyari dito, hindi na lang nila muna gagalawin yung kaso. Yung motions for reconsideration.
Hindi gagalawin ng Korte Suprema.
Hindi na muna gagalawin. In other words, they will take their time. It's just a speculation. Now, maybe they will just take their time in resolving the motions for reconsideration at hintayin na lang yung pag-lapse ng 1 year, yung sinasabi nilang February 2026. And then they will still resolve the motion for reconsideration. Pero ang sasabihin na lang, moot and academic na kasi meron ng bago na impeachment complaint na final.